this is the pad where the pergola is going to go. One of the things interesting about this project, if you look right over there, we are adjacent to a graveyard. So this is the first timber framing project that I've ever done that was right next to a graveyard. And it required digging out this retaining wall. And while we dug it out, we didn't run into any spirits or any issues. So I think we're good. First up, we just put in that little pad. And as you can see, the cement trucks kind of tore things up. So we're going to use this little baby Kubota with the box blade and possibly the, the front bucket to get that all cleaned up. It's kind of a nice little unit. It has earth and turf aftermarket quick connect links, which are awesome. Snow Hill Chapel is a wedding chapel that's in Hager City, just south of Ellsworth, Wisconsin.